Okay, today's video is going to be on my brother-in-law is getting a trailer for his motorcycle, and I just wanted to make him a box to put like his cloths and stuff in, like, you know, so he can keep everything in there clean. I was looking on eBay and I come across some like car wrap, and I'd seen that people had, you know, used it before on wood, so I thought I'd give that a go. I'll put a little video up the top so you can see what I'm talking about, like the finished product. And then I just etched some acrylic to kind of go on the front, and you can see I just wanted to show this design here. It's very simple. This here is the two sides. I've got them connected together because the less I have to cut the MDF, really the better, because it's not great to cut through. And all I did there, if you want to, you know, use one line to cut two pieces, I'll just quickly show. So I'll drag out one box, I'll put it on a line. I'm going to duplicate that box with Control and D, and then move this over, zoom right in, make sure these two lines line up exactly, or in the top and bottom. If you hold shift after you duplicate it, it will only stay on that line. So now you can see them two lines exactly line up. So all you do now is, because it's square, you've got to convert it to a path. But then once it's converted to a path, you just come to this side and press the letter D. And now you'll see it don't have that side, it would just be cutting that, you know, two pieces in one go. So that's what was going on back here. So yeah, it's cutting them. So this is the bottom, what's gonna, you know, come around the bottom. And then, like I say, this is just going to slot in the front. So just quickly with the speeds and powers, this was 1/4 inch MDF, and to cut through that I had a 11 speed and a 90 power, and it went through in one go. That was focused at about 5.5 millimeters. And then for these lines I just done like 150 speed and 15 power, just so it give me a, you know, little line that I could work off of. And as always with my acrylic, I had like I took the paper off before I started, had a 400 speed and a 11 power I put for this one, and that was focused at just over 6 mil, about 6.5 mil. So yeah, that's the design, and now I'll get into the video. Okay, so them marks that I made here, this is where the acrylic's going to slot into, which that's the measurement there. So what I'm going to do is transfer these marks to the top. Next thing I'm going to do is line this up on here with a saw, because I don't want to go all the way through this. I just want to go about maybe halfway through. So just enough for it to slip into and not fall out. So that's about a little bit less than halfway. Okay, so now them lines, I'm going to line it up on that first, on the inside line, and slide this fence in. I'm going to put this right over that tooth and move it till it's on the outside, lock it down. So now I'm just going to push this through so I can get a groove through here. Do the same with the other side as well, because I want them both in the same place. So this one, I'll test fit it, and then I'm going to probably have to run them one more time, but not a full blade width, so